We're ready to go.
Okay. Okay, we're ready to put the tires on this guy now. Now I ordered the tires, but didn't look closely enough, and I realized seeing the dust covers, they're both a mess. So I got the tires in yesterday, but this morning I went and got new dust covers for it also. I figure if you're putting a lawnmower together, you might as well put it together right. So let's get to it. Now changing the front tires is pretty easy peasy. In the case of this one, it's a 9/16 wrench, and you literally pop them off and pop them back on. Now sometimes the tires will stick when you go to take them off. Not this time though. Now see, this has a little clip holding it on, so let's grab something to pull that clip off. Well, I tell you, I'm dangerous around pointy tools. Now she'll come right off. I said, now she'll come right off. I said, now she'll come right off. Huh. Poked myself a couple of times with that little pointy thing, because I keep this thing extra pointy because it just comes in handy for other stuff. And usually these clips pop right off. There it goes. And we need that to pull the dust cover off. Then we'll lay the new one in place, get her all lined up, and do it all backwards. You can see you got little tabs here that go on these little tabs here, just like that. Now putting the clip on is usually easier than taking it off. Just like that. Let's layer a new tire on. Get her looking all nice and good. And there you have it. Oh, we forgot our little thrust washer here. Can't do that. There we go. Now you got a good looking new tire. And it even mostly matches the back ones. Whoever gets this mower will appreciate this little extra. But these dust covers are a gotta have. Because without them you'll get all sorts of junk in these little gears. And that's when you have mowers that don't want to turn frontwards or backwards or whatever. When the wheels don't want to turn. Okay, let's move around to the other side and do the other one real quick. See if I can do this side without stabbing myself. There we go. Now if it sticks, you just Ouija it around till it lets go. And that's that. And you can see what I was saying about the dust cover. It is just demolished. Now I'm going to use the pointy thing and try not to stab myself again. We're going to hold the other wheel still and Ouija this one out. And there she is. Keep a little clip up here. Okay, let's put the clip back on. Looks good. Let's get the tire back in place. Looks good. Let's get our nut on. And we're done. We've got tires. Okay, let's run her and see what she looks like. As far as working on a mower goes, that's one of the easiest jobs, replacing the tires. Sometimes when you get them, they just won't come off the hub, and you got to ouija them and bang them around a little bit to get them off. These came off really easy. Remember to put new dust covers on, because dust covers are pretty cheap, and they'll save a lot of wear and tear on the mechanisms inside the wheel, and keep them from binding up and everything when you're out in the yard. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.